Mommy is asking nga why you cannot breathe last night. What happened to your nose? What did you do?
I don't know.
Huh?
Because I'm so bad.
What?
Like that.
Huh?
I'm so like that.
Or because of the ice cream?
Voila.
That's why you cannot breathe. Just put it in your mouth. That's dirty.
I want a let it go.
Ay, nako, let it go talaga. Hindi mo nga sinagot si Mommy eh. What happened to your nose last night nga? Why you cannot breathe, man? Why you cannot breathe?
What?
Why you cannot breathe last night?
Because I slide in the water like cellphone.